So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover another global Hack Week data challenge, that is creating a Chrome extension. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Now coming over here, if you want to know more about the other challenges, so you have to come to the playlist in the description box also, and you can see we have covered some of the related challenge, and this playlist will be updated very soon. So do not worry, I'll be covering every challenge in detail so that you are able to get the swags and learn too. Now coming over here, we have to create a Chrome extension. So by default, you'll be able to see this page. Okay, I'll share the page of the challenge also. It will be updated mostly. So you have to just create a Chrome extension. You can create any Chrome extension and deploy it. For example, music app, uh, normal Chrome extension like jokes extension, and any game extension, to-do app extension like this you can create. Here we are creating an analog extension, and for the files I have already uploaded in the description box. You have to come over here and simply click on code and just download the zip file. Okay, now I will tell you about the file structure also. First of all, just do one thing, just extract the folder. So once you open the folder, you have to simply right click over here and just click on extract, or use any 7-zip or any other app for extracting the files. Now just open the main folder, and if you want to view it in the VS Code and understand the codes, just right click and just click on open with code. It will open the VS Code page. Just click on yes, I trust the author, and first of all just close it. Now from here, it contains multiple files like background file, JS file, manifest file, and even the HTML file for the UI. So you can see this is how the function is working and updating the time. Apart from this, if you want to modify the icon, you can change it also. And here you can see, okay, so this is our manifest file and the finally HTML file. So it's a live clock. You can change the name also. You can redesign it and make it better also. Okay, and this is the update file. And here we have the readme, which will be a sample readme, which will contains all the data, that the structure and about the project. Now how we have to upload this file, it's a very simple process. You have to just come back to your Chrome browser. From here you can see the settings is there. You have to simply click on these three dots and just go to manage extension. So from here you can see extension is there. Click on manage extension. By default, sometime developer mode is not enabled. You have to enable it. And from here you have to simply click on load unpacked. Now you have to upload the live date time extension, the file which you have uploaded, means downloaded and extracted. You have to upload that file only. Okay. So for example, this was the main file. So I'm just selecting the extracted folder. You have to just click on select folder. So if you're getting this error, just open it carefully, load unpacked, and then again. Okay. So this was the parent folder. We have to open it, and from here, just try to select it. So like this, you can see we have selected. I'm just repeating the steps again so that you are able to understand. Okay. So let me just remove it. First of all, you have to click on load unpacked, and whatever file you have downloaded, okay, mostly it will be in the repository format, right? You have to extract it. First of all, you have to extract the file and then just open this folder, and you'll see this folder name, live datetime Chrome extension. You have to just click on it and just click on select folder. So like this, you have to see that we have successfully applied the extension. Now it's time to check whether the extension is working or not. So from here, just click on it and you can see, boom. Here you can see it is giving us live update of the date, time, and even day also. So this is how we completed this challenge, that is creating a Chrome extension. Now here we have to create a repository and upload the files and upload the screenshot and add a description to our project. So from here, if you don't have a GitHub account, just create it, and from here just go to your repository. Okay. And what you can do, you can just create new and just mention the name. So I'm just writing the awesome clock. You can write any other name also. And from here, we have to just make it public and then just check in the readme. Now it's a awesome clock by me, or it's a project of DHW data. And then simply click on create repository. Now whatever file you have downloaded just now, okay, whatever file you have downloaded just now, you have to simply, you can upload it also, or you can create it individually also. Just upload it. It will be easier for you to just navigate. Now you have to just drag and drop or simply browse it directly. So just click on choose your file. Okay, so we have to upload it. And from here, you can see that GHW main, open it, and you have to upload this one. Okay, so you can rename it also, or you can simply upload it directly. So just open it and select all the files like this. So you can see it has been uploading all the files. Now you have to just write any commit and just commit to the main branch. Now it will process the files and all things will be added over here. So it is done. Now here we have to update the README. So click on this pencil icon to update the README. Now you can directly open the README from there also. I'll share this second repository also. From here you have to just copy it. So what you can do, first of all, just click on fork. If it is showing fork option, you can click on fork also, and then you'll be able to copy it. So if I just try to copy it directly, I won't be able to copy it. So let's open the README directly and click on code. And from here, just copy it and just update the project. So like this, we have added it. You can improve the project also. And this is how we have created the complete project for the Chrome extension. So this is our project. Now you have to just come to the main page and just copy this repository and just submit the link. Here you can submit the screenshot of the project too. So you can just do one thing, that here only you can just enable the extension and take the screenshot of this particular page. So from here you can just take the screenshot. You can take a full screenshot also. It will be better, I think so. So just take a full screenshot and just save it anywhere else. Now you can save it and you have to simply upload it. Okay, so just upload it. Let me just browse it and upload it. So you have uploaded the project. It's you can write the description also. It is not required compulsory. Okay. And also you can mention the technology like HTML. It won't impact because you have already done this project, and there are no prizes for this project. Means individually it's not a hackathon. You'll be getting the swag, but there is no any prizes for completing this particular task, so it won't impact even if you are just submitting directly. After that, just click on submit project, and this is how we completed the second challenge, that is creating a Chrome extension. I hope it clears your doubt. I have attached all the resources. Make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video.